If you're trying to make the most out of your sales pipeline, learning how to use filters in TeamGate CRM can save you a lot of time and help you focus on what matters. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use TeamGate CRM's filters to improve your workflow, and I'll also show you a couple of alternatives you might want to consider for the long term, especially if you're looking to do more than just manage your leads. Stick around till the end to learn about a special offer just for our viewers. So, let's dive in with the basics of how to use filters in TeamGate CRM. The first thing you need to know is that TeamGate allows you to create custom filters for your deals, contacts, or activities. This can be really helpful if you want to see specific data in one click. For instance, you can filter deals by stages, dates, or custom properties you've added to your leads. This is really useful for tracking your pipeline and seeing what's most important at any given time. Next thing you need to know is how to set up these filters. It's simple. Go to the Deals, Contacts, or Activities page, and you'll see a filter option at the top of the list. You can click on that and choose from a variety of options. You can filter by deal value, deal stage, or specific custom fields you've created to tailor the CRM to your needs. It's a great way to segment your data without having to manually sift through everything. Now, let's talk about saving your filters. Once you've created a filter you like, TeamGate lets you save it for easy access in the future. This is useful if you're working with recurring tasks or looking at specific segments of your pipeline. Just click on the Save icon and give it a name. Then, whenever you need it, you can quickly apply it from the Saved Filters menu. The fourth thing I want to point out is how you can use filters to improve team collaboration. If you've got multiple people working on the same pipeline, sharing filters can keep everyone on the same page. TeamGate allows you to share saved filters with your team, so there's no confusion about what everyone should be focusing on. This is particularly helpful in larger teams where you want to ensure everyone is looking at the same data. But here's where things get interesting. While TeamGate CRM is good for managing your pipeline, it's not perfect. For instance, the filter functionality, while useful, can sometimes be a little bit too rigid if you're looking for more complex customizations or integrations with other tools. And if you're scaling your business, you may find that the user interface and features start to feel a bit limited. So, if you're looking for a CRM that offers even more flexibility in filtering, especially when it comes to automating tasks or integrating with other apps, there are some great alternatives out there. One CRM worth checking out is Alternative CRM, which offers deeper filtering options and a more intuitive interface for growing teams. It's got advanced reporting and segmentation that will help you automate more of your workflow. And before you go, I want to remind you that through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial of the software. But wait, I've also got some amazing alternatives for you, Alternative CRM being one of them, that are even better for handling your sales pipeline and goals. These come with free trials as well, so you can try them risk-free and see which one works best for you. So, if you're serious about making your CRM work harder for you, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.